Hi, my name is Luis Dueto F. Katindig. So today I'm going to discuss my project is all about the aircraft pressure feed fuel system. So the aircraft pressure feed fuel system is designed to deliver fuel to the aircraft engine under pressure and ensuring a consistent and reliable flow. So this system typically includes the components such as fuel tanks, pumps, filter, and pressure regulators. So for my experience by making this project, I think this project is quite easy because you just need to gather the materials and to think what should you put into this project. So this 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 one is the left and right tank. So this one carry the fuels from the tanks to the engines. So for the next one is the fuel selector valve. This one you can choose which one you can fill up the tank, left or right. So for the next one is the strainer or filters. This one removes the impurities from the fuel to prevent clogging and ensures engine operation. So for the primer, this one um, designed for fuel directly to the cylinders or intake manifold of an aircraft to facilitate starting, especially in the cold weather. So for the engine-driven pump, this one pressurizes the fuel to ensure steady flow to the engine. So for the electric pump plunger type, so this type is an aircraft fuel system. System is a specific kind of pump that uses plunger mechanism to move fuel. So for this one, this red, this is the fuel lines. And the last one is the carburetor. Thank you, that's all.